Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be showing how to get Smile in the Dark, Dancing Cat, how to type in Geometry Dash Face, and find a meme. So first, we're gonna start off with Smile in the Dark. So he's pretty easy. Well, I don't think he's easy to you. I'm a pro at this game. I just need one more meme and then I found all of them. So, Smile in the Dark. You just have to go over here, go to this flag, and go here. But you have to stand right here and wait. And okay. Then I'll teleport you to a dark room where Smile in the Dark is. See, that's him. Alright, so next is going to be Geometry Dash Face. So he's actually probably like really easy. Wait, hold on. There he is. And there we go. Next up is how do I type? So how do I type is in the city. He's probably like the hardest one in the whole game. So you have to, I keep going into the sewers. So you have to go into Eblox. And then go to Doge. And then you have to fall. So to get this meme, you have to take a little bit of damage. Somebody in chat is trying to get the cinnamon bun. I think they got it. So you have to go over here, go under the building, and how do I type it there? Next up is Dancing Cat. So to get this character, you have to do a little bit of parkour. So jump on all this, then you have to jump on this, and somehow get on that tree, then jump to the house, double jump to this house, then you have to jump to this tree, then you have to stand for 5 seconds on this part of the tree. It will be teleported to the cat home. It will appear in Dancing Cat. There we go. Alright, that's done with the video. Hope you liked it. Bye guys.